Today, we're going to install the Yzona roof rack on my Jeep Gladiator Kimber. You'll need a socket wrench to complete this installation. Start by adding the cushion pads to the brackets. This protects your roof and ensures a snug, scratch-free fit. It also helps reduce any vibrations or noise while driving. Start by securing the larger brackets to your roof rack bars using the provided bolts on both bars. Once the larger brackets are in place on both bars, attach the smaller brackets. Be careful not to over-tighten at this stage, as you'll need to adjust them later to ensure proper alignment. Now it's time to install the individual LED lights. Begin by attaching the light bracket holders to each of the 4 lights. This part can be a bit tricky if you have larger fingers, as the space is limited. Use an Allen wrench to tighten them securely. Afterward, align each light with its designated position on the bar and secure them in place using the provided hardware. And by far the most tedious is wiring the lights. You'll need to create a bridge connection between the lights, connecting them one by one to ensure they're all linked together. Keep in mind that the wiring harness is sold separately and not included in the package. Once your lights are wired together, attach the purchased wiring harness to complete the connection. I first secured the rear bar to the top of the Gladiator, adjusting the bolts to fit snugly across the roof. Then, I installed the front bar, ensuring it was aligned and securely fastened. The best feature of this roof rack is that you can easily slide the front bar back if you need to remove your roof. If you plan to do this, be sure to leave yourself some extra wire to accommodate the movement. And that's it. The Yzona light bar is installed and ready to go.